Welcome to our channel. Typing indicators on a state unemployment portal would show when support staff or systems are preparing responses to your inquiries. Step 1. Access your state unemployment portal by visiting the official website and logging in. Step 2. Navigate to the messaging or support chat section where you can communicate with unemployment representatives. Step 3. Typing indicators are typically automatic features enabled by default in modern chat systems, showing 3 dots or typing when someone is composing a message. Step 4. If you don't see typing indicators, check if your portal has a settings or preferences section. Step 5. Look for chat or messaging settings, where you might enable or configure notification features. Step 6. Ensure your browser is up to date and that you have granted necessary permissions for the portal to display real-time updates. Step 7. Contact technical support if typing indicators are not appearing, as this may be a feature not yet implemented in your state's portal. Step 8. Refresh the page or clear your cache if typing indicators stop working unexpectedly during a chat session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.